Hey, how's it going, guys? Welcome back to the blog. Today we're going to be installing some new headlights on this truck. It's an '07 Chevy Tahoe. If you guys can tell, the headlights are really faded because of the sun, or just the plastic has gone really bad. We're going to be unboxing some new ones that I definitely think look really nice. So these are the headlights. They look a lot nicer. So yeah, compared to this ones, they look really nicer. So this do have the DRL lights, daylight driving lights, if you want to call it that way. I like them personally. So this will be going, those headlights will be going into this truck today. Here's the other headlight. There's about 12 10-meter screws. Top of the headlight, the front grille, and the other side of the headlight. I believe this whole bumper needs to come off to get the headlights out. So there's two, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So remove all those. You need a 10 socket to remove them. Next, take the fender wheel cover. Now under the truck, there's 2 more 10 size screws under the brackets. This one's already off, so this side, and then this one's already off too, but you remove those, and now the bumper is loose. Not too hard. So don't forget, the top ones are 10s, the bottom ones are 10s, and the side ones are 7s. The bumper should just come off with all the screws already out. Very easy. Just disconnect, and that's it. Both headlights out already. So this is the look you're gonna get when you install these headlights. I think it looks really nice with the DRLs. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I probably won't be installing the bumper because it's scratched. So I'm probably gonna be ordering a new one. But yeah, that is the headlights you guys get. They go for like $290, but I got mine on bid, so I got lucky. I got it for a lot cheaper.